You're going to make your own cartouche necklace. A cartouche was an oval-shaped ornament worn by pharaohs depicting their name, and it was written in hieroglyphics. You're going to make something similar to this using air hardening clay. Okay, so you're going to need air hardening clay, a little stick, just to use that like a pencil to write your name on here in hieroglyphics, and a stick to make a hole on top for the string to go through. You can use a pencil as well, and some type of string or yarn. All right, so I'm going to make the shape of the cartouche now. It's going to be an oval shape. You probably won't use all the clay. I flattened mine down and I made this shape, an oval shape. Now I'm going to use this toothpick to write my name in hieroglyphics. Actually, before you start, you're going to want to put a hole right here for your string to go through. There's my name. Here's my name on the opposite side. You're going to let it dry completely. After it dries completely, you can actually paint it. You can put your string in now for your necklace, or you can do it later. I decided not to do that rod at the bottom because I felt that later on it might crack off, so I just decided to do mine like this, and I kind of, run my hand through here to make it as smooth as I possibly can. And that's all.